Hello dear children, today we will start our lesson number 5, turning a computer on and off. So as the name is turning a computer on and off, so in this chapter we will study about the various steps which we have to take to on the computer and to off the computer, which are compulsory. So let us start. A computer is a wonderful machine. To work on computer you need to first turn it on. Let us today know the correct steps to turning on and off a computer. So in this chapter we will study about the correct steps of turning on and off a computer. A computer is a machine. It needs electricity to run. As you know children that computer is a machine and it needs electricity to run. Let us now learn how to turn on and shut down a computer. So in this chapter we will study about how we are turning on and shut down our computer. Step by step turning on a computer. So we are now studying firstly step by step procedure of turning on a computer. To start a desktop computer properly, we have to follow these steps. Step 1, turn on the main power switch. The figure is also given here. In first step we have to turn on the main power switch. Then step 2, turn on the UPS. In step 2 we have to, after switching on the main switch, we have to turn on our UPS. Then step 3, turn on the system unit. A light blinks that indicates that the computer is switched on. Then in step 3 we have to turn on our system unit, that is CPU. Then a light blinks which indicates us that the computer is switched on. Step 4, you have to turn on the monitor. In step 4 you have to turn on your monitor. The button is given here at the bottom of the monitor. Now wait for a while for loading of the operating system. The operating system makes the computer work. Windows is a popular operating system. It is commonly used by a large number of people. After turning on your monitor, you have to wait for a little so that your operating system can load into your computer, and after that only your computer can work. So Windows is a very popular operating system. It is commonly used by a large number of people. Now some information are given here. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system. So Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system. An operating system acts as a manager. It manages all the tasks of a computer system. An operating system is acting as a manager of a computer because it is managing all the tasks of a computer system. Windows 10 is the latest version because firstly before that we are using Windows 7, Windows 8 like that. So, but now the latest version is Windows 10. The process of loading of the operating system into computer's main memories when it is switched on, it is called startup or booting. Yes, the process of loading of operating system into computer's main memory, this process is known as booting. The Windows 10 desktop. After loading of the operating system, a lock screen appears on the computer screen. When your operating system get loaded into your computer memory, then a screen appears on your computer which is known as lock screen in Windows 10. So it is like this. The figure is given here. On pressing the enter key, the next screen appears. This is called the Windows 10 desktop. Children, when after the lock screen appears in Windows 10, when you press the enter key, the next screen which will appear on your computer screen is known as the Windows 10 desktop. The desktop is the main screen of a computer. This is the desktop and this is the main screen of a computer when we are turning on our computer. It holds the following. Start button. It is located at the bottom of left corner of the desktop. It opens the start menu when you click it. So this is the start button shown here at the bottom of the left corner of the desktop, and when you click on this, the start menu will open. Icons. Small pictures on the desktop are called icons. An icon represents a file, folder or program. So these are the small pictures which are known as icons. This represents various files, folders or program of a computer. Taskbar. It is the horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It holds the start button, search box, shortcut icons, date and time and notification. So the horizontal bar located at the bottom is known as the taskbar. It also contains some of the buttons. Then desktop background. The background image on the desktop is called desktop background or wallpaper. So the image which is appearing on our screen is known as the desktop background or wallpaper. Now one activity is given here. The activity is rearrange the following letters to form appropriate words. So some jumbled words are given to here to you. You have to correct them and write the correct spelling of that. So first one is START start. Second one is DESK TOP desktop. Third one is TASK BAR taskbar. Fourth one is ICON icon. Fifth one is BOOTING booting. Now we will study about step by step shutting down of a computer. How we are shutting our computer step by step. To shut down a computer correctly, follow the given steps. So for this also we have to follow certain steps. In step 1 we have to click the start button. On the desktop the start menu opens up. So firstly we have to click in step 1 we have to click the start button. When we click on start button, the startup menu will open up. In step 2 click on power, then we have to click on power. It is written over here in start menu. Then step 3 click on shutdown. Then we have to in step 3 we have to click on shutdown. After when you click the shutdown option, the desktop fades away and computer turns off automatically. In step 4 you have to turn off the monitor. In step 4 you have to turn off your monitor. Then step 5 turn off the UPS. Then you have to turn off your UPS. Then step 6 turn off the main power switch. In step 6 you have to turn off the main power switch. Children, you have to remember that you should not switch off the main power switch directly. If you do so, it may harm your computer. So you have to follow the various steps of shutting down of a computer, and you should not switch off the main switch directly. So you have to remember this. You should always turn the main power switch on off in the presence of an adult, and you should also take care of that you will always turn on the or off the power switch in the presence of the adult. Now some keywords we will study which we have used in this chapter. First one is UPS, a device that keeps the computer system on for some time when electricity goes off. So UPS is a device that keeps the computer system on when the electricity goes off. Operating OS stands for operating system, a program that makes the computer work. The program which enables the computers to work is known as operating system. Windows, a popular operating system. Windows is known as the popular operating system. Booting, the process of loading of the operating system into computer's main memory is known as booting. Desktop, the main screen that appears after loading of the operating system is known as desktop. Icons, the small pictures on the desktop that represent files, folders or programs are known as icons. Wallpaper, the background image on the desktop is known as wallpaper. Now this chapter is finished. Hope you understand. Try to complete your exercise from the PDF given along with this and try to learn that. Thank you.